July 5th, 10 a.m. and I just received this package from Academy. I'm going to attempt to put it together based on the new tool that we have over here. This tool and this bit will be in the new AI instructions that we'll be sending out to you next week. So I'm going to try and put this together with this tool only. If this works, this will solve our problem. Bear in mind, I never do this. I always have people that do this for us. So if I can do this, anybody can do this. Let's see if I can open the box without cutting myself. Okay, I opened it without cutting myself. That's very good. Okay, table. So, what should I put together first, a table or a chair?
The chair is the main
Chair is the
issues.
issue, not the table?
Yeah, not the table. Wait, let me help you.
No, let me do it.
Just take all the wrapping first, then it'll be easy. Yeah, this.
It does come wrapped very well. Cushions are very nice quality. Let's see what else we got going here. Okay.
This is the arms for the chair.
The arms of the chair. Let's move this over here. What is this?
This is another set of arms for the other chair.
Okay, well,
So yeah, you get.
together one chair. So
Yeah, you got two chairs. So this.
So I need this. What else do I need?
You need the back and the back support and the seat.
Okay.
Two of them.
What is this?
So this is the seat. Two of them together.
I need one of them.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Like these ties, very easy to do this. Okay, so we have one chair here, one chair here. Let's move this over here. Put in the garbage.
This is the leg for the table.
Go to the table.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see where the AI is. What's this?
This is the back support. The back for the chair.
For
The chair back. So it's all come bundle.
So this goes here. This goes here. There's all the AI stuff. Or even no tools in here.
There is.
Huh?
This with